everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So if you also want to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bybit application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Wait for the application to load. You can see over here Bybit application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your verification has been completed. If you want to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance, all you have to do is tap on the assets option that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to my assets interface. Over here you'll be able to see your total assets. You can also see the option for deposit, withdraw, transfer and convert. In order to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance, simply tap on the withdraw option that you can see at the second. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll have to select the crypto. What you have to do is select USDT. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for USDT. Now you'll be able to see the option for USDT over here. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you have to enter the address, network and amount. For the address, what you have to do is go to Binance application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity verification has been completed. If your identity verification has not been completed, you'll not be able to see the address. Unfortunately, my identity verification could not be completed, so I'll not be able to see the address, but I'll guide you through what to do. Once you open Binance application, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see at second. Now you'll have to choose the currency. Over here, you'll have to select USDT. Simply tap on the option USDT. Now you'll have to choose the network. Tap on the network of your choice. Since my account is not verified, I'm not being able to see the address over here. But if your account is verified, you'll be able to see the deposit address over here. All you have to do is copy it. After that, simply go back to Bybit application. Now what you have to do is enter that address over here. Simply tap on it and paste the deposit address. Now also select the network. Simply tap on the option network. Now you'll have to choose a chain type. Make sure that the chain type you make deposits to is the one you make withdrawals from. Simply tap on the chain type. You can also enter the tag or memo. This is completely optional. After that, enter the amount that you want to transfer. Simply tap right over here. Now enter the amount. Now you'll be able to see the amount received over here. Also, you'll be able to see the withdrawal fees over here. After that, all you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will lead you to another interface. After that, simply follow through the prompts, complete the transaction and you'll be able to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So that is how you transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.